Well, hi there, food friends. It's Kevin.
It sure is, and I'm Ralph behind the camera.
And welcome to Cavalcade of Food. And so, you know what, Ralph? Oh, we're boiling here. We've had people often say, can you do more Polish recipes? And yes, you know what? We really are going to do more Polish. We're going to do pierogi, which we haven't done. We're going to do guamki, stuffed cabbage. And we've got some other things that we're going to get to, I promise. We've already done kapusta. If you haven't seen that, that's a good one. You can check that out. But today we're going to do dill pickle soup.
Ooh.
Because you know what? It's winter. It's Michigan. And so it's good soup time. So here's what I've got, Ralph. I have got these were pretty small potatoes, 4 of them, that I diced up, and 2 carrots, okay? So it's like maybe, I'm going to guess it's probably about 2.5 to 3 cups of potatoes, and then 2 carrots, and I've diced them up. I've got 2 quarts of chicken broth, okay? Chicken, and I've got it at a boil here, and what we're going to do is we're going to boil the potatoes and the carrots here in the chicken broth until they're tender. It's going to probably take about 20 to 25 minutes, all right? Then we'll throw our other ingredients in. But while I'm thinking of it, because this is a Polish recipe, let me take a good tablespoon of butter. Yeah, I just put butter in there. Okay? So, we are making dill pickle soup on a cold night right here in Ralph, it's been about Michigan. 20 minutes, and our potatoes and carrots have been simmering away here. I'm going to just, you don't want the potatoes, you want them just tender.
See how the floor likes it.
It loves it.
So it's been boiling in chicken broth, right?
Yes, and like that potato, the potato absorbs that flavor, so it's got a little chickeny flavor to it. And so the potatoes and the carrots are tender. Now, over here, Ralph, I've got
jalapeno peppers.
This is 4 dill pickle spears that I diced up finely. Okay, and I'm going to add those to the soup.
Nicely
to the
diced.
zupa. Okay?
Is that how you say soup in Polish? Zupa.
Okay. Then I've got 1 cup
Of Mountain Dew.
it does look like it, doesn't it? Which is tells you something. But anyways, this is the juice from the pickle jar.
All right.
Okay?
Because it's got, dill pickle soup. It's
You
got
can't have dill pickle soup.
It's got to have that flavor.
Yeah, I'm trying to hold so I don't get too many of those seeds. My finger's clean, by the way, folks. All right.
So what was the amount of...
1 cup of dill pickle juice, 4 finely diced pickle spears. Okay? Now, I'm going to put the lid on. Then, over here, Ralph, in these 2 bowls, I have got 2 tablespoons of sour cream and 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour. Okay? I'm going to put the flour in here.
Oh, so this is how you get the,
the
creaminess of the soup?
I'm going to put the flour in the sour cream, and I'm going to mix these 2 things together.
Very gently, I see.
Okay. There's when you mix butter and flour together, that's a French technique.
Oh, okay.
And you use it's used to sort of thicken things. And there's a French name for it. And some of our viewers, I know you know what it is. I'm blanking at the moment.
It's not a roux, is it?
No. But a roux is butter or some sort of fat and flour. It doesn't have to be butter. Okay. So I have mixed the 1 tablespoon of sour cream and 2 tablespoons of sour cream, 1 tablespoon of flour.
Flour, got it.
Now I'm going to get my measurer here, my measuring spoon. I'm going to take three tablespoons of this broth, and I'm going to put it in here. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And
see, this is where cooking is like more of a science.
we're going to kind of mix all that together and dissolve it. Then, once it's all mixed and dissolved, and you know what? It's like, I guess I could have used a little bigger bowl here.
Right.
See? Shucks. Okay. We're gonna add this back in. Okay?
I see. Okay.
Okay. We're gonna add this back in.
So that's the flour, the sour cream, and a little bit of the sauce or
A
soup.
little bit of the broth.
The broth, yeah.
All right. That also, see how it lightens it up?
Yes.
It'll lighten that color up.
Nice.
All right. And we're going to bring this up to a kind of a rolling heat here.
Because you want to get all that sour cream and flour disintegrated into
Yes.
the soup.
Hot soup.
The big reveal.
There it is, Ralph. And, we've had it probably boiling or simmering, I should say, for maybe a good 10-15 minutes. So I want to look at that.
Now the taste test.
Some nice potatoes. This is more on the brothy side, which is how I like it. I don't like it too creamy
or thick, but if you did,
if you wanted that, you could add more sour cream and flour.
And just make sure to whisk it for a while.
But
yeah, this
look
looks
at
more
that.
Brothy and
Now
look at those chunks of dill.
And it's really a pretty soup. Now, if you had fresh dill, it would be
Complete.
great to put on the top. I don't have fresh dill, but I sure have some dried dill.
So you're sprinkling a little dry.
So we're going to garnish here. Another thing you could do is you could put a big dollop of sour cream in the center.
Yum.
And then dill that up a little bit too. That would make it really pretty. So here we go. Here is the nice dill. Remember, this is a chicken stock base.
Cold winter night taste test of a dill pickle soup.
Oh, that's good. I love it. The potatoes are soft, but those pickles, because we added them after, still have a crunch.
Oh, they still have a crunch. So would you say it's a dilly of a dill pickle soup?
It is a dilly of a soup. Oh, yeah, that's nice.
Somebody looks happy.
Yeah, it's, talk about something on a cold winter's night to warm your soul, warm your body. Right here, dill pickle. Yes, you can. I know you. I see that look. I know the look, folks. All right, here we go. Give it a try there, Mr. Ralph. Careful, it is hot.
Ooh. Oh yeah, it's got that kind of tang.
Yeah,
from the pickles.
From the pickle juice.
I could just swallow that all. That's so good.
So you know what? I'm going to give that back to you. We love celebrating our heritage, and we love celebrating our Polish heritage and being a part of things that Mom and Grandma made.
The things that make us feel good on a cold winter's night.
Absolutely, here in Croswell, Michigan. So you know what? Here's to all of you. Hope you're staying warm and well wherever you are.
So glad you could be with us.
Absolutely. Thanks for being a part of this. Thanks for celebrating this wonderful Polish recipe, dill pickle soup.
Isn't it good?
We got a loaf of bread. We're going to eat the rye bread.
Rye bread, pumpernickel, some Eastern European,
with this,
Polish type
lots
bread.
of butter, of course.
Always good.
And that's a meal, man, right there.
Yeah.
All right. So, anyways, thanks for being a part of this one. We had a great time doing it, and we had a great time sharing it with you. We'll see you next time right here on Cavalcade of Food. Bye, everybody.
Bye.